Sometimes people ask the question, should we coat outside a garage? You know, your garage door comes down, you got 5 inches of concrete that goes to the joint before your driveway. The question is, yes, if you go with a Better Plus or a Certified Plus, it's recommended. No, if you do not go with the Better Plus or the Certified Plus. Why? You must have a UV stable product going outside, and inside a garage it's not as bad. That's why we always recommend the Better Plus and the Certified Plus as a garage floor coating for someone if they want a real longevity to their garage floor coat.